people are trying to, I'm trying to record this session also. Again, trying to looking at this Bank Nifty chart. Again, try to understand what exactly has been happening in the Bank Nifty. ध्यान से देखना प्लीज. देखिए बैंक निफ्टी में तीन टाइप के कैंडल्स आपको समझ में आएंगे. ग्रीन कैंडल, रेड कैंडल और एक न्यूट्रल वाला कैंडल जिसको हम लोग एब्सोल्यूट समझते हैं. रेड और ग्रीन दो ही को ध्यान से देखना है. अर्लियर सेशन ऑल्सो वी हैव कवर्ड द मूविंग एवरेज. पहले एक बार मूविंग एवरेज को ही देख लेते हैं. सो यू कैन क्लियरली सी इट्स अबव 100-day, 20-day and 50-day moving average. So there is no need to say कि Bank Nifty is bearish or Bank Nifty may not go further. It may happen tomorrow. Bank Nifty can cover what it has lost today. If you see the weekly chart, similarly it's again highly bullish. कोई problem नहीं दिखती है यहाँ से. And again, if you can clearly see the Bank Nifty का जो previous high, it was something around here. So I think looking at the current context, it has made the high last year only. So वहां से जो market has corrected and it has fallen, I have just reset the chart. We'll expect to remove all these indicators. So this is a plain and the naked chart which is available to you. अगर आप chart को ध्यान से देखोगे ना, so actually today's candle was nothing, is to just puzzle you. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि market यहाँ से गिर रहा है, but absolutely it is a good time to buy the share, especially the Bank Nifty. What we think. उसके बाद जो दूसरी बात है, what I wanted to highlight and focus to every one of you is, देखिएगा ध्यान से, it has not able to cross this. So this was a pin candle which is also known as pin candle. तो ये pin को break नहीं कर पाया. So it is not able to break the pin. So still what I'm trying to tell you, it is yet to break this low. तो मतलब अपना जो पहला stop loss था, it has not able to hit. Again, if you will analyze the other parameters, what has happened in the favor of Bank Nifty and what has not happened. अगर आप पिछले एक हफ्ते का कैंडल देखेंगे, so the Nifty and Bank Nifty both are absolutely troubling each other. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो Nifty is looking more flattish. What I'm trying to mean by flattish is, अगर आप यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं अप साइड में, और अगर आप एक ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं डाउन साइड में, एकदम ध्यान से देखना. This is the most important and the highly effective part which I wanted to share with every one of you. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो, so this is a clear cut range bound movement shown by Nifty. मैं अपना शॉर्ट कब काट लूंगा? once it will break the lifetime high, which it may break any time. ऐसा नहीं कह रहा कि मंदी कर लेना है या मार्केट क्रैश कर जाएगा या गिर जाएगा, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. But still at this lifetime high, now Nifty is finding it difficult to go above. मैं दोबारा बोलूंगा, this is a most important point to be understood and to be noted if you are trading in Nifty, especially in options, especially in futures. अगर आप निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो ये जो सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है, एक विंडो बन गया है, एक चैनल बन गया है. This has to break. So there are two possibilities, my dear friends, as you know. One is in the upside, clear cut bull rally. यहाँ से और तेज हो सकता है मार्केट, especially I'm talking about Nifty, and one may be the possibility to go down, और जिसको कहते हैं break down. अगर break down हुआ दोस्तों तो it can come down till here, which is 16,700. Now you people will say कि boss, why are you so bearish on the stock? I'm not bearish. I'm not trying to be judgmental. I'm just trying to say what should be happening once the market will start crossing and going down. My dear friends, we have kept this session for record also. I'll try to virtually answer all your doubts. अगर कोई रह जाएगा तो I'll try to answer tomorrow. My humble request to every one of you is to just understand. So this should be the decisive trend. अगर निफ्टी की बात करते हैं तो absolutely Nifty is looking bewildered. One-sidedly it's in consolidation. Consolidation मतलब क्या? Market range bound चल रहा है. Range bound मतलब क्या? It is neither able to break the high nor it's able to break the low. It's stuck in the middle. अगर आप देखेंगे तो Nifty is not showing anywhere strength. अगर आप पुराने कैंडल्स की बात करते हैं मार्केट की, just hold on. I'll try to show you what exactly is happening in the market. So this is really very interesting to be noted. अगर आप मार्केट में ट्रेडर हो, और हमारा एक वीडियो भी अभी आने वाला है यूट्यूब पे, आप प्लीज देखना. On the moving average, you can clearly see Nifty is trying to take the support of 20-day moving average. 20 दिन के moving average का Nifty is trying to take the support. If this support is broken, then I think it can clearly see the further downside, which can be the 50-day moving average, and it can even slide down till here also. So again, Nothing to be on bearish side, nothing to be on a side which can be basically, just hold on. So this is absolute flattish structure, which can be also considered to be a cage structure. Sorry, that was our early chart. Please don't consider that chart. So these are the moving averages. So you can clearly see that the Nifty is well placed above its all moving average. Agar Nifty में correction भी आएगा, then the first point it should reach is 17K, 17,000 तक आएगा. Looking at the trend analysis, my dear friend, what we are exactly trying to see, just try to understand. But मुझे लगता है Bank Nifty should touch lifetime high before fall. Again, that may be hypothetical, but it may come down through any second. Once you can see this is a box formation, जब भी मैंने बोला था, so there are two possibilities. One is in the upside, clear upside, where Nifty can even see 17,700, which is 17,700 in English, and it can again see the breakdown also. So the breakdown may lead Nifty to reach till here. So this should be your first target if you are a seller. ऐसा नहीं है कि Nifty will come down directly till here. Nothing is going to happen like that. If market has to fall, it will follow in a sequence. It will not fall in one day. Again, no one knows nothing. Again, it can fall anytime. But why to expect only negative things? Let's be positive, because ultimately stock market is all about positivity. So ध्यान से देखना. So this should be the first stop loss which is available in the market if you are a trader. If you are an investor, just be very extra careful. So once it tries to break above this, it will be always a very, very bullish candle. Once it breaks below this, it can see some correction. Nifty is not showing any strength. Let's see what happens tomorrow. कल का दिन critical है Nifty के लिए, but Bank Nifty is also showing the same path. If you will see the Bank Nifty, it's showing the range-wise consolidation. What I will do, I will try to draw a channel. And that is not a normal channel, that is a parallel channel. So this will be showcasing you that Bank Nifty is also under stress only. So I think, so again, looking at this part, it is trying to follow this channel only. It's in the sequence only. You can clearly see up. Again, I will try to draw down, up or down. ये दोनों जिंदगी का एक important part है. वैसे ही मार्केट में भी अप एंड डाउन, यू कैन क्लियरली सी. देयर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. एक तो यहाँ से इट शुड बी स्टार्ट फॉलिंग लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस. तो तीनों लेवल तोड़ सकता है बैंक निफ्टी. जो भी होगा एक दो दिन में हो जाएगा. रीजन, द ओपन इंटरेस्ट डेटा विच आई वाज शेयरिंग इन द लाइव मार्केट टुडे इन द ग्रुप was clear cut telling us that hey, the market can see a bigger sort of correction anytime, but before that it can lead to new highs also. So these are my three support levels for the market, especially in Bank Nifty. So the first support level will be coming anywhere around the 20-day MA. So 20-day MA is around 36,126. Again, you can also apply the other indicators if you want. You can apply like Bollinger Band, RSI, and other indicators. But today, since we have studied this indicator, I will request every one of you, please keep yourself on mute. Thank you so much. Okay, so in market, we have to analyze two type of indicators. First, so you can clearly see Bank Nifty is also following a channel pattern only. Either it can break a new high or else it can break a new low. Really very important, but most important part, Bank Nifty की बात की जाए, 36,000 का अगर लेवल बैंक निफ्टी तोड़ता है और नीचे की तरफ गिरना शुरू करता है, then Bank Nifty can slide to a new lows also. So it can even come down to these levels also. But as a buyer, when you will be started to buy, when once you can be sure कि अब now it can be able to break its lifetime high. Once it breaks this level, 37,000 के एक बार ऊपर गया ना निफ्टी, so it can even touch the new lifetime high also. जिसके फेवर में मैं हूं, स्टिल मेरे चाहने से कुछ नहीं होता है. मार्केट इज ऑल गॉड, ग्रेशियस गॉड. सो यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टुडे इन द टाटा मोटर्स एंड इंडियन होटल्स. दो आई विल नॉट डिस्कस दोस स्टोरीज, बट स्टिल दोज आर द शॉर्ट सक्सेस स्टोरीज. हाउ वी हैव evaluated them is on the basis of the current trend and is on the basis of technical analysis. So looking at this data, one can clearly think that hey, market can easily, so these are the two channels. So the first channel, again, will be in the upside and second channel will be again in the downside. So this is how then angular momentum should be understood. आप अगर देखोगे तो these are the three levels. ये levels का खेल है market. वो level 1, level 2, level 3. If it start falling, it will fall in a level. ऐसा नहीं है कि it will fall in one day. And if it falls in one day, then be ready for a better carnishing atmosphere in the market. We have to be always ready for everything. Whenever you are taking position, someday it may happen that market can show. Okay, Reliance surprise was actually expected, sir. Reliance surprise was always expected in the market. Reliance is a share जो हमेशा अपने हिसाब से चलता है, आपके हिसाब मेरे हिसाब से नहीं चलता है, बट मेरी बातों को याद रखना, मैं तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, रिलायंस बाई करने का भी बहुत अच्छा टाइम है, मौका है, एक बार यहाँ से शेयर आगे निकल जाएगा फिर ले नहीं पाओगे. They are going to launch their Jio phone, which will be in the brand of, again I'm not going to discuss anything related to stock because we have confined this discussion to Nifty, Bank Nifty, but still आपने मुझसे पूछा है, रिलायंस आज बाई करने का बहुत अच्छा दिन था, शायद आपको मौका मिलेगा भी नहीं अब, because again it's in real uncharted zone, it can even touch because it has recently broken its lifetime high. कहां तक चला जाएगा शेयर मालूम नहीं, करेक्शन पे चुपचाप अच्छे शेयर्स को बाई करें. I'm not at all trying to give you any financial advice or recommendation, but still buying a good stock once it falls is very important. It's not like a dead company. अभी मार्केट में कई सारे डेड स्टॉक भी हैं, आपको पता है कौन कौन है, कई सारे शेयर हैं जो एक एक साल 6-6 महीने तक चलते ही नहीं है. So Reliance is not those type of stock. It has been an underperformer, though Nifty has rallied maximum, but still, if India has to grow, Reliance has to grow. If Reliance has to grow, Nifty has to grow. So this is how the entire story looks like. Correction is an opportunity, my dear friends. Do not have a bearish view. Always think positive, because आज हम आप जो बात कर रहे हैं, मेरे पास लैपटॉप तो है बट डेटा तो जियो का ही यूज कर रहा हूँ. जियो फाइबर आपके घर में भी लगा होगा, मोबाइल चला रहे होंगे. They have hugely contributed. पेट्रोकेम बिजनेस छोड़ दीजिए, कपड़े पहन रहे छोड़ दीजिए, पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड यूज कर रहे छोड़ दीजिए, रिटेल बिजनेस छोड़ दीजिए, like they are everywhere. So again, a country has to grow, company has to grow, multinational will grow. Okay, so looking back to these datas, मेरे को यहाँ से what I am trying to tell you, Nifty को आउट परफॉर्म कर सकता है बैंक निफ्टी. सो दिस इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. दो बैंक निफ्टी हैज बीन अंडर परफॉर्मर, बट बैंक निफ्टी कैन मेक अ बिग हाई एनी टाइम. कल भी मार सकता है, देयर इज नो डाउट, बिकॉज अगेन ग्लोबल मार्केट सेंटीमेंट इज लुकिंग पॉजिटिव. इफ इट विल बी, देन टुमारो बैंक निफ्टी कैन हिट even 1000 points also. That may be one case, but correction wise, looking at the correction, I think bank nifty should outperform nifty in coming days, so be ready. Yes, India is one of the fastest growing emerging markets. We are growing with a pace of around 9.5%, and we have to grow. There is no alternate. Otherwise, we'll have the starvation problem again and famine coming to India. So if India has to grow, if the farmers have to grow, if your money has to grow, India has to grow, share market has to grow. Everything is interconnected. It doesn't mean कि सिर्फ आप कमाएंगे मैं नहीं कमाऊंगा, या मैं कमाऊंगा आप नहीं कमाएंगे. Everyone's income has to go up. Knowingly, unknowingly, market will also contribute something, but again, you have to be psychologically prepared for this thing. So what I try to give a conclusive analysis while analyzing today's trend using technical analysis as well as the data. Number one, and in last we'll see FII's DIS data also. FI DIS data is important to understand the movement in index. So you can clearly see the FIIs today have bought in market in excess of around 1400 crores, which is the highest numbers for this month. Again, DIs have almost sold around 559, so they have sold the maximum. So what I'm trying to tell you, very much clear that market may, so if FIIs will be bullish, then market may again see new highs, and be ready for it. And again, outperformance will always come from Bank Nifty, I think, because Bank Nifty has been underperformer, and if this time Bank Nifty will rally, it can even break 38,000-39,000 level also. So my conclusion is very much clear that आप सब market में trade कर रहे हैं, always be ready, because if one index will grow, other index has to grow. It may happen कल नहीं जाएगा, परसों जाएगा, परसों नहीं जाएगा, तक after 3 days, but they have to rally. And again, in case of fall also, someone has to take the lead. I think Nifty this time looks overpriced and overbought also. So I think the correction has to come through Nifty first. Then I think Bank Nifty will also take its corrective measure actions. But still, looking at the current context, what I'm trying to say, many type of reforms, privatization of banks, and many type of other things are yet to come, which can lead the market to go and break the new lifetime high also. Okay, thank you so much for watching and एनालाइजिंग दिस वीडियोस। आपके कोई सवाल हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। हमने ये सेशन थोड़ा छोटा रखा है क्योंकि 11 बजे सोने का वक्त है, कल आप सबका ऑफिस भी होगा, काम भी होगा। कोई सवाल हो मार्केट से रिलेटेड तो प्लीज पूछें, बट आई थिंक analyzing data will be the most important point, and again leading the technical terms is most important with you are trying to become an stock market expert. Otherwise दोस्तों एक ही चीज कहूंगा, केवल अगर आप आंख बंद करके काम कर रहे हैं तो फिर आप भी खतरे को इनवाइट कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, मैं सेशन फिर से अपलोड कर दूंगा ड्राइव में, आप सबके पास एक्सेस होगा। कोई इश्यूज हो, कोई डाउट्स हो, कल का मेरा जो फाइनल कंक्लूजन है, टुमारो बैंक निफ्टी में आउट परफॉर्म निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी कैन हैव बेटर रिटर्न्स देन निफ्टी, एंड आई थिंक नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज बैंक निफ्टी का ही टाइम रहेगा एंड बैंक निफ्टी में गिव वेरी एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट्स, बिकॉज अगेन द करेक्शन एंड ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ मार्केट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन ओवर। यहाँ से आउट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी में लीड द मार्केट टू फर्दर राइज। अगेन निफ्टी का जो चैनल है that is यहाँ से बढ़ना is not so easy, but bank nifty can easily break lifetime high. So let's see which sector will fall to compensate the nifty. So these are the important points one should be very much careful to learn and remember. Okay, thanking every one of you. We'll love to see you tomorrow. Good night, God bless you. I'll share this recording. In case of any personal doubt, please ping me. Don't forget to ping me. Good luck, good night. Tomorrow again we'll meet. Thank you.